National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison Parish, northeastern Louisiana, central Richland Parish, northeastern Louisiana, northern Franklin Parish, northeastern Louisiana, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bakers to 6 miles northwest of Louisville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect little damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tallulah,